What's up, guys? I hope you are all having a fantastic day today. Now, over the last couple of months, we have seen crazy swings in the crypto market. And after months of consolidation, it seems like the XRP price is finally ready for a leg up. Ripple bulls are warming up for a comeback, and we could be potentially looking at a price rally to a new all-time high of $4 before the end of 2021. We have started seeing a massively bullish pattern on the weekly charts. Currently, we are sitting at the $1.19 level, and the market has been up by 1.56% over the last 24 hours. If we can achieve a critical close above the $1.95 level, we will unlock new potential for Ripple XRP. While we are likely to witness a consolidation in the current level, we are warming up and getting ready for the next ride. With that said, let's roll that intro and get into all the juicy details of today's video. As always, welcome back to MoneySide, your favorite crypto news channel. If you are new here, welcome to the XRP fam. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Now, to start us off in today's video, we've got a tweet. It's from John E. Deaton, and it says, Coinbase went to the SEC in January 2019 seeking to list XRP. The SEC also allowed Ripple to purchase a 9% stake in MoneyGram, knowing Ripple would pay MoneyGram in XRP. MoneyGram sold the XRP to Coinbase, who sold it to the retail holder. The SEC now claims retail holders' XRP as illegal security. If this case is only about Ripple and its two executives, why didn't the SEC only allege between 2013 to 2018, or even today, that when Ripple or its executives sell XRP, it's an investment contract with Ripple? Why go after secondary market sales to retail holders? Well, I must be honest and say I genuinely don't understand how the SEC got to approve the MoneyGram deal, knowing how MoneyGram will use XRP and then file suit against Ripple. Didn't the SEC say they were investigating the case for 2 years before filing the lawsuit? Well, I guess the SEC will have a chance to explain when tens of thousands of retail investors sue them for damages. Do I say, we definitely have a nice mess going on here. Guys, XRP, it's about to blow up. Get ready to make millions, if not billions, within the next few months. XRP is making waves, and it's getting ready to move to the next level. This is all to my XRP holders fam and the MoneySide gang. I feel like we're about to make a fortune. That means XRP is headed straight to the moon. I think it's about time that XRP witnessed a significant jump to the top. Don't you think so? This coin has been through everything, but it just so seems that no one can take it down. Yep, that's right. XRP is one of the most resilient coins in the whole crypto space. As a matter of fact, the things that XRP has gone through, no other coin has had to deal with any of the same issues. This coin has been operating within the legal confines and worked for hand in hand with the government from the word jump. But why is it the first coin to be issued with a lawsuit by the regulatory body? Are they afraid of this coin's future? If that's the case, then even the major powers in the world have noticed that this coin is meant for greatness. And with that in mind, even if they try to suppress this coin, which is what's currently happening, XRP will still rise from the ashes against all odds. I believe that whales are using this lawsuit to purchase as many XRPs as possible. That's because we all can see that when the lawsuit will be over, this coin will head straight to the moon. And here's the most exciting part of this all. If you are waiting for the lawsuit to happen for this coin to the moon, then you'll be surprised if it starts to the moon even with the lawsuit still in place. Jack the Rippler, tweeting this time, says, the ecosystem of XRP is growing day by day, and you can't stop the train. The price will reflect all the work from the Ripple team, which has been worked all the years to conquer the financial industry. XRP is an independent ecosystem which will exist with or without Ripple. I'm not the only one who sees that XRP is currently unstoppable. With time, all the things that XRP has gone through will pay off, and I believe all these tests will make Ripple stronger than ever. More importantly, the price will soon reflect all the efforts that Ripple's team has been putting into the future of XRP. That said, patience is all it takes. I'm sure that my long-term traders understand that patience is the key to the game, especially in the cryptocurrency world. The price of XRP got a massive hit because of the lawsuit, yet we know that. But 1 year down the line, this coin survived all the odds. Frankly, no one even thought that XRP would make it this far. And now, There are thousands of doubters all over, and that's the main goal of the lawsuit. However, this coin is going to overcome all the obstacles and emerge as the one true coin. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. As we have seen, we need to buckle up for this ride, as we will witness a new all-time high by the end of the year. XRP has been lagging behind other cryptos courtesy of the SEC lawsuit, but the time is now. So what are you waiting for? Stock up on your favorite coins and jump on the ship before we set sail. That said, let's take a look at the charts to get a clearer picture of XRP. Using a rough shift pitchfork along with moving averages, it feels as though it's pretty safe to say that XRP will continue its rise. Keep in mind that it is the only cryptocurrency apart from Litecoin that has not broken all-time highs and has remained in the top 15. As long as XRP can retest and break the current walls in place, the potential for explosive growth is there. I am cautiously optimistic for a $5 XRP token within a few months. A lot is riding on the current case with the SEC being resolved. In the current cryptosphere, pretty much everything has grown by thousands of %, with XRP still holding a dominant 7th place while undergoing a lawsuit and still not breaking all-time highs. All it is one catalyst away from skyrocketing. On now to Bitcoin. We look at my chart. We see there Bitcoin is forming a massive ascending channel formation in the structure after Bitcoin showed up with the bull trap and the fake out zone above the previous all-time high. Bitcoin heavily pulled back, increasing with bearishness and testing the lower boundary of this major channel formation, where Bitcoin now firstly bounced and moved into the remaining resistance marked in my chart within the $66,060 level in black, where Bitcoin has still an important resistance. Currently, the bearish scenario has a slightly higher possibility, which will happen when Bitcoin pulls back and continues bearishly to break out below the lower boundary. When this first confirmational move happens, this will actually increase the bearish possibility to 65%, and there is a higher likelihood in this case for Bitcoin to continuing bearishly. The reverse perspective would be the bearish scenario, with Bitcoin managing to break out above the upper resistance at $66,060 and setting up on it to continue with bullish determinations to the upside. In this case, when Bitcoin increases with bullish volatility and bouncings in the structure, such scenarios will increase the possibility for the bullish scenario to show up. Taking both perspectives into consideration, it is highly necessary to await the proper confirmations before moving into the final direction, as both possibilities can change, although the bearish one has a higher potential. If the bearish possibility should complete, which happens with a breakout below the lower boundary, Bitcoin will likely continue to the target zones down the line at $58,200, where the whole developments need to be assessed again. For now, we will see how these suggested scenarios can come around with. As always, friends, do your research and trade safely. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we drop our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.